point. Over.
Roger, Enola Gay. Confirm weather conditions and visibility over Hiroshima. Over.
Weather is clear and visibility is excellent. Command. Wind speed at altitude is within acceptable parameters for bomb release. Over.
Confirm payload status, Enola Gay. Over.
Little boy is secure and armed. Safety mechanisms have been disengaged. Over. Enola Gay to command. We are currently at 31,000 feet. Adjusting course for final approach. Over.
You are cleared to proceed, Enola Gay. We need to hit the Ioi Bridge for maximum impact. What's the payload status? Over.
Payload is ready for deployment. Maintaining speed and altitude for optimal drop trajectory. Over.
Godspeed, Enola Gay. Command out.